Tata Motors, what should we do? Buy, sell, panic? The stock, which was trading around a high of 1180, currently is around 740. So we have had more than about 35% correction in the stock. So it's in a strong daily downtrend. So where this daily downtrend can end, where can we find a good buying opportunity? Is it the right time to buy Tata Motors? So this is the daily time frame chart. Now let me just switch to the quarterly chart. The 3-monthly chart over here, which is on the left, and the right is a daily chart. So if you see on the 3-month time frame, the stock is still in a good uptrend and we are having a pullback to a quarterly demand zone. A very strong demand zone, rally-based rally, which is around 670 levels. So what I'm expecting is this can provide a good positional trading opportunity going long at this demand zone. So instead of catching the falling knife, what one can do is let the stock enter the demand zone, wait for some bullish reversal formations on the daily time frame, and then enter the stock. This can provide a good opportunity to go long in Tata Motors. So friends, this was a very simple analysis based on supply-demand trading strategy. So if you want to know more about supply-demand trading strategy, all you need to do is just click on the link in the description and join me for my upcoming workshop where I'll be sharing further nuances about supply and demand trading. So looking forward to seeing you in the workshop. Thank you everyone.